Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Mopar Matt, back at it with another video. And today we're gonna be doing a POV drive with the new 93 Octane tune by Diablo Sport. If you're new here, last week I did a video where I installed the unlock PCM and I installed the little 93 tune. And we about to see what that's like. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, comment. Let me know what you think. This is gonna be a POV, like I said. Got my little setup right here, and we about to go to work as soon as we get to basic. All right, guys. I hope y'all can see well. Try to get y'all at like a good angle. That way you're not facing up towards the sky, and you can see me driving. Go ahead and throw the car in sport mode. I'm gonna do probably a couple of third gear pulls just to see what the butt dyno says. The Diablo's website said the tune was supposed to increase on a bone stock RT, supposed to increase the horsepower by like 13. Look at my boy in the Audi right there, my boy getting it, by like 13 wheel horsepower. So about to see. I'm about to try and get a little room here. Look, traffic clear up. Drop it down to third gear. Alright. Slow it down a little bit. Try and get a good 60 pull. $60. Okay. So yeah, I can definitely feel it's definitely a little bit more spicier. Nothing too crazy. They say you're supposed to also get some extra fuel economy too. So you're supposed to get a little bit more in the gas tank. Is what Diablo's website say, but it's a little bit more spicy for sure. But we all know the real power gains is in power adders like headers, and then a custom tune headers and all that. Y'all know what the power adders are. I've made videos on them before, but we're gonna see if we can get some more room. Got a little traffic behind us, so I'm gonna try and get out of the way so I can get some room. I hope everything sounds good. I'm recording this on my GoPro. My boy, Audi looking good. Audi looking good. Let me see. Ain't trying to drive too crazy, but I do need some space. Oh, he just gave it to me too. He just gave it to me. So we're gonna do another 60 pull here. I'm trying to do a 60 pull. We got too much traffic behind me. We're just gonna hit it. Slow it down, buddy. Look at dude got behind me. Boys out here having a little too much fun. Y'all see my boy behind me? Slow this bad boy down. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show y'all that. Like I said in every video, got plenty of other things coming for the car. Should be full bow time by at least like mid-July, and we definitely gonna have some fun with the car this summer. And let me know what kind of videos I want to see coming to the channel. Definitely can do more POVs and all that stuff. See, I got my big camera set up over there. Excuse me. But yeah, man, that was about it. Didn't want to go too crazy. Notable Mexico police be hot out here, huh? Yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you're not new, if you new here, hit that subscribe button, check your boy out. Got some more videos up on the channel. And yeah, y'all have a good one. Take it easy. Peace.